Good morning. It's day 12 of VEDA. And I am in Boston this morning again. I'm in the South End, the beautiful South End of Boston, to organize a basement this morning for a client. And I am having one of those nearly burned out feelings. Everybody experiences this from time to time, I think, where they just are doing way too much and just need some time to recharge the batteries. So as we hear this morning and tomorrow morning, but I think if I hustle real hard today, I can get the job done today and postpone my next visit until next week, because I am burning the candle at both ends, and it is hardcore. I do a lot of stuff that I don't film, mainly like other rehearsals, client consultations, things like that, like online work that I just don't film, and it's starting to, and plus I have a life. I have to cook dinner and be a wife and a dog mom and a friend, which I feel bad. I haven't seen any of my friends in a number of days. So I feel bad about that. That might be a thing to remedy very soon. Anyway, I've got my liquid fuel here in my reusable cup. So I saved a tree. I feel good about myself. So I'm sorry. I didn't mean to start this vlog out in with negativity. I'm sorry. Maybe you know what? I'm gonna go to work. Let's go to work. In other news, it's actually an incredibly gorgeous spring day. Legit spring day in Boston. Totally rare thing. It also makes me think that I will just really hustle hard today, try to get the job done so that I can take Clover to the park later. Because let's be honest, that is better than therapy. That's better than anything. I mean, when I see him running around with the little dogs, I'm like, my life is complete. It's cute. That's cute 101. It's cute.com. It's amazing. It makes me feel like life is worth living. When he is living his best life, I feel like I am also living my best life. So this is my client's basement before. I don't know if you guys remember this from Vlogmas, but there was a big water tank here and now it's gone. So they have all of this brand new shelving, which is awesome. I believe this is like a Home Depot shelving. I want to say, no, it's Rubbermaid. So just in case you guys are interested, it's very similar to Alpha, but it's Rubbermaid. So shelves are adjustable. They've got these melamine shelves here, and they have a whole clean slate. So I'm very excited. The stuff that I need to move in here right now and organize is in the garage. There it all is. So let's try to make some magic happen. Here we go. Doesn't look like it, but I took everything out of here that was relevant and I put it in the storage room. The rest of the stuff is mainly construction materials, and there are some things actually there that I'm gonna try and get rid of. These little sphere decoration things, they have to go, but not the mahjong table, not that. All right, so here we go. We established some zones for this area. I haven't put the labels on yet completely, because I'll do that tomorrow, and yes, I am coming back tomorrow. I will explain later. So we got a backup area for backup supplies here. She's got enough room for like backup food, all that stuff that's down here. This area is for air filters. This is the holiday decoration area. We've got the tree thing up there, and some, that was the only place the wrapping paper could go because it's oddly shaped, but that's okay, you can still see it. Got a little skeleton dude there and some other Halloween items there. This is a super large, like many feet of garland, so that has to live there. It's just giant. Looks like there could be a body in there. I promise you there's not. It's just Christmas garland. Underneath here, actually I left a blank space here for backup stuff, so I didn't put anything there yet. And I put all the Christmas decorations and all the Christmas stuff down in here in boxes they already had. I didn't buy anything new because you don't always have to. So I am a big fan of the color coding, so we did Easter and all the rest of the holidays in yellow and holiday in red. So I wrote on here with some water-based marker, Sharpie marker. I will put a link down below if you're curious. This does wash off. I had actually written here wreaths because that's what these are. I'm gonna write that again. Actually, let me do that right now. I had to rewrite it because it was super, it wasn't very cute. So I'm gonna rewrite it here. Let's see. It's not the best, but you know what? It works. It works. It works. So that's wreaths. So this, in case you're wondering, this is erasable. So I've written this and erased it twice already. So it does come up with a little bit of moisture. They got the tree ornaments there, all the holiday business. And they also have more holiday business up in here. We got the rest of the ornaments, the holiday cards, holiday crafts, gift bags. We got a little Chinese New Year stuff back there, and that's like the spare little ornament dividers that go in this box. They can just hang out. So that's that. Got lots of shelf space left, so I just put all of the vases, and there are some garment racks back there for parties. I just need them to be easily accessible, so they're just right there. All of the coolers down here at the bottom, so you can reach them and definitely get at them, but they don't interfere with the walking space. I love that they like fit right underneath the shelf. That's the best thing ever. And in this corner, I moved some suitcases, the Dyson, the chairs, and back here, it's kind of a mess, but it's just spare containers, empty containers. Everything there is empty. So if we needed to do any more projects, they're way back there. And over here, we have many toys and crafts for one little one. She is most like the luckiest little one ever because she's got a ton of stuff to do if she's ever bored. So look at the amount of things we have for this little bun. She's got even a slime kit. I didn't know what this is. I had to open it, find out. Evidently, slime kit. Who knew? We got all the pom-poms and craft projects and painting and coloring and all kinds of stuff. Oh, I have to label this. I didn't get around to that yet. But she's got her art projects there as well. Paper. We are an art-loving family here. So that is the kids area. So I politely told them not to buy any more toys for the rest of maybe her childhood. So I'm all set for the day. I'm gonna get out of here before my car gets a ticket, and I'm gonna go back home, get the bean, and we're gonna go to the park and have a little fun. I can't wait because it's so nice outside, and I will definitely talk to you more a little bit later. Are you ready? Yeah. All right. You having fun?
Oh yeah, man.
You having fun? You having a good time? Can we throw the ball? Yeah? Do you want some water? I think you need some water. All right, let's go. One more time. Here we go. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Okay, we are back. This guy is like super tired from the park. Are you tired, Mr. Cloverbean? Hmm? Yeah, he's like, leave me alone. Leave me the heck alone. So we went to the park for an hour, and that was fun. He blew off some steam. When I picked him up from daycare, he was in the middle of playing with another dog, and I guess they had been going at it for a little while. So he's like super tired right now. I just wanted to come on here quickly and say, I know that rant in the beginning of in the morning, how I was tired and needed to take a day off. that feeling is gone now, and I can power through the rest of my work week. So that is something that I find that happens to me periodically. If you are running your own business, or you are your own boss, or you are doing your own thing, you are the only one holding yourself accountable for getting work done, and no one pays you unless you work. I want to take a minute to tell you that is part of the process of entrepreneurship. It is ups and downs. You have to talk yourself into things, talk yourself out of things, talk yourself into keeping going, grinding, all that stuff. So you just have to get the energy from in here. And I'm not saying work yourself to the point where you are collapsing, not taking care of your health, not taking care of your family, not taking care of all that stuff. But if you want something, if you want your own business to succeed, or if you want something that you want to go for to succeed, you have to put your 100% into it and commit to it. I want to give a little motivation out there to those of you who are thinking about doing something, whether it's organizing, whether it's opening up your own graphic design business, whether it's becoming a singer, whether it's going back to school, is if you feel like you have an inkling to do something, you don't feel fulfilled in here, Monday through Friday, just go ahead and take the first step. If you are afraid of failing, we all are afraid of failing. We have failed. We've made mistakes. We've gone out there and failed. I'm still here. It's not the end of the world. Your failures can teach you some of the best lessons. You only fail when you stop trying. So I want to say to all of you wannabe entrepreneurs out there, and entrepreneurship is not for everyone. Let me just say that. It is not for everyone. It is a hard road. It can be a little bit lonely sometimes. You're spending a lot of time by yourself just trying to grind and do stuff. And it's not the easiest place to be. But if you feel like you can make a difference and make an impact with just you, get out there, take the first step today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. All right? There it is. I'm gonna edit this video, find some lunch, because it's like 4 o'clock and I've been grinding without lunch. I don't know how that's been happening. Gonna get some grease off my face. By the way, Poppy is still here. Why won't she go away? What's her problem? What's her deal? Anyway, I've left her alone. I've put some treatment on her like the past couple of nights, overnight. It hasn't been helping. I don't know I need to go get it extracted or something. I don't know. It's it's a volcano, virtually. All right, I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys a lot. Stay neat. Have a great day or evening wherever you are, and I will see you tomorrow on the 13th. Is it Friday the 13th tomorrow? Ew. Okay, well, I will see you tomorrow. I will. Bye.